Whoa, ho, ho.
What's so pro about the Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2? Let's take a look. Now you can see more with our new head-to-toe video, so you'll never miss what's on your porch. Hear more with HD audio that delivers our cleanest sound yet.
Come on, Callie, we're going now. Hey, girl!
Hi, I'll be right down.
Can't make it to your phone? Let Alexa do the talking.
Delivered for John.
Please leave the package behind the railing.
And no more with bird's eye view, so you're aware if someone's there and where they've been.
Hello?
Hi, cable guy.
Nah.
You're right. I'm not.
The Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2 works with your other Ring devices and beyond for the most seamless experience out there. If someone's at the door,
Hi, can you let us in?
you can let them in.
Nope, I'm out.
If your lights sense motion, you'll know who's there. If your alarm is triggered, your doorbell starts recording automatically. And you can control it all from one convenient place, the Ring app. Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2. It's smart security made simple.
With Blurams Smart Video Doorbell, you can talk to whoever's at your door remotely from wherever you are.
Package delivered?
The intelligent voice response works automatically for convenient communications at all times.
Washing our hands.
The free loop recording service saves important data up to 72 hours. No hidden fees, ever. The full event video recording feature guarantees you won't miss anything. Blurams also works with IFTTT, which allows it to be connected to other smart devices.
Welcome home, honey.
Such as door locks, lights, alarms, and Alexa. Smarter and safer. The powerful Blurams app lets you filter specific events, so you see only what you want. Just like this. You can also easily customize the motion detection distance to exclude areas such as busy sidewalks and roads. With Blurams motion detection and anti-theft alarm system, you'll never miss anything. Simple and quick installation in just minutes. Wireless or wired, choose whichever you like. No matter when or where you are, Blurams Smart Video Doorbell is always with you.
Mommy, I come.
Okay.
Hello, Mr. Stevens. I have your delivery.
Please leave it around the side of my house. Excuse me, can I help you?
Hello!
Whoa, ho, ho.
Hello, I have package for you.
Please.
Okay.
Hey there. How can I help you?
Alexa, show
things you cherish and the people you love are right behind this door. That's why protection starts here. And Arlo has you covered with our first video doorbell. See the important moments outside your door, from head to toe. Receive alerts when they matter, so you can know before they knock. And clearly hear guests like you're there, with a doorbell that calls your phone directly, so you can answer from anywhere. It's built to handle everything that steps up to your front door, so you can protect everyone who matters on the other side.